Keep your first 3 points by left click and final point by right click. So this is the cumulative number map. In the map which ma'am has given, it is having 3 lines. There are 2 dotted lines in the same map, but here we don't have, but we need only 1 line, and we need to mark it by arrows and show the magnitude with year. Like this you can add all arrows. And you can right click on it and edit. You can write the year, and you can also write the magnitude. You can save it like this. You can use, you need to write the values. You need to write the values by looking at your Excel sheet and this year. You have to guess this. You can do it in a easy way by using data cursor and place it on the star. Click it. It will show the year 2012. So open your Excel sheet and look out for 2012 year's biggest event, and that event with that year you place on the text with the arrow. Do the same for all the plots and save this, and this one is it for the cumulative number graph. After placing all these points, you can right click this arrow and edit this, and first note down, use the tools, click on data cursor and click on the points. You will get the year. Note down the year in a notebook. First note down all the years, then again you for that year you get the biggest magnitude event and add all the biggest magnitude event for that year. You can get the event by clicking on the arrow. It won't come at once. You try clicking and it will come. Ah, 2011. So 2013, 2016. So like this, after noting down these events in a notebook, find the biggest event for that year. For this is the year 1981. So I will look up in my Excel sheet 1981. 1981 is having 5.8. So I will write 1981 5.8 on that. I need to first switch off the data cursor. Then I can select this. Oh, I need to select the text arrow. You can delete this one. Then I can right click and edit this. 1981 is 5.8. 5.8. Like this you enter values for all the events. So after adding all the points, you can, many of the points are calculated guesses, and you have to look at the data and you have to place the cursor here, data cursor here, and take a guess and write the values over that point, and later you can delete the stars. Even if you have placed the arrow somewhere away from the star and you know that in that year you are having an event, major event, so you can place like that also, because anyway we will delete the star. And click on the star and delete. All stars are gone now. So now you can save this file.
ये क्या है मेरे को मोटर लगाने का है हाँ?
So now you one more thing you need to edit is this thing. Okay. You need to write cumulative number of earthquakes. And now save this. Cut this now. For the next figure also you need to follow the same process. Cumulative moment is, this is the thing. In this you need to place the text arrow where there is a steep fall in the line. Ma'am also did the same. Wherever there were two steep falls, there ma'am has placed the arrow, and there she had written date with the magnitude of the event. So that's what we will do. This is the data cursor. 1989. And one more steep fall here, 1971. And here 2016. These three places we can add arrows and we can write about the events by looking in the same Excel sheet. We'll look here and we'll add it. So after adding it like this, we save this file. Edit this also. Cumulative seismic moment. this file. Cut this. So the next step is also start. It also starts from the cumulative number map. Here you need to click here, b value estimation, b with time, and select the best combination. And here select 150, make it 80 and 8. It takes some time. So here we got the map as ma'am showed, but in this map these two lines are not there. So we will edit it. Only one line is there. And there is no legend in that, so we'll remove this legend as well. And there is p value, time years, this is also having. And then we need to add the same text arrows wherever we are having big events above 5.7 or 5.8. We can find the big events by looking at our Excel sheet. We can find big events like this 6.10 is in 88. So we will guess where is 88. It might be somewhere here is 89, 88. So we will mark this place with the year and the magnitude with the arrow. We will mark it here and we will edit that. 1988 it's having 6.9 magnitude event. And with this there is another dotted line ma'am has placed here. So even we can do the same. Likewise, we can do other markings also.